This is the easiest method to add artificial depth of field in Photoshop, transforming your images from this to this. Once you've imported your photograph into Photoshop Beta, duplicate the layer and hide the original. Then, with the duplicate selected, head over to the Quick Actions options and choose Remove Background. If you do not know where to find the Quick Actions, they are within the Properties window. This can be accessed by clicking Windows at the top and navigating to Properties. Removing the background will help isolate the subject in your photo by automatically creating a mask. Next, make a second duplicate of the original photo layer and hide both layers. Ensure the second duplicate is in the middle of the stack. Then, with the second duplicate selected, navigate to the same Quick Actions menu and hit Select Subject. This will create a selection of the subject in your photo. Now head over to the Select window at the top, then click Modify, then Expand. 10 pixels should be enough, but feel free to have the selection as tight as you'd like. With the selection ready, head over to the new Generative Fill taskbar that comes with Photoshop Beta, click Generative Fill and leave the prompt empty. This way, Photoshop Beta will essentially use a smarter version of the content aware to expand the background within your selection. Navigate through the three options presented and choose the one you like the most. A new Generative Fill layer has been created. Select this layer and the second duplicate layer, right-click and merge the layers. Now you have two key layers, one with the isolated subject and the second with a clean slate background. With the middle layer selected, head over to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. From the dialog box, select the radius amount that best suits the photo to ensure it looks as natural as it can be. I think 6.6 looks just fine. And there you have it. This is the easiest and least confusing way to add artificial blur or depth of field to any photograph. There are better ways and more physically accurate methods to do this, but if you're looking for a quick solution, this works. Thank you for watching.